Hello, in this video we're going to look at one possible solution to this coding back problem in arrays 2 called bigDiff. Now this solution is simply here to highlight a really great technique. That said, it's not a solution, an approach I recommend because of the fact that arrays are reference variables. And let's start off by talking about what that means. Since an array is a reference variable, a reference is passed to a method, not a copy of the data. This means that any changes that occur in the method will remain when the method is done. Now, for coding back, this is inconsequential, but this is actually a really significant idea when working with objects in any reference variable. Because if I change nums inside this method, wherever nums came from, it will remain changed when this method is done. But that allows me to use a really interesting built-in method here called the sort method, which is in the arrays class. And let me show you how that works. There's a class called arrays, which contains a variety of static methods. You can find it by typing arrays class, Java 8. And there's a nice method called sort, and I can pass nums to that. There it goes, better. So what does that do? Well, we know that sort is a static method in the arrays class, and I've passed it the array nums. Now, because I'm passing it not a copy of nums, but a reference to nums, what will happen is after this line is executed, after this line, nums will be sorted smallest to largest. And that's just a function of what sort does. So what that means, all I have to do now is say return nums at nums.length minus 1, which is the last element, minus nums at 0. Oh, semicolon issue, bracket issue. I guess I did it by bracket earlier. There we go. I hit go, and there we go. This is a really cool approach because it highlights this kind of nice shortcut. Finding shortcuts are fun, but what I really want to caution against, this is particularly people interested in writing the AP exam, but just as a good coder, never modify a reference type unless you need to. Okay, this is really important. Again, coding back just works in isolation. We don't care. But if this was part of a bigger program and you pass some array into this function, that array would be changed forever. I hope this video helped. In our next video, we're going to look at a little bit of a better approach to this. Have a great day.